So in addition to my Mariner outboard getting stiff and rusty in places, it's also rattling apart. Here on the dinghy ride across the river, the handle came loose. It looks like a screw had backed out. So now I've got to figure out how to put that back. So a nice fisherman has let me use some needle nose pliers, since I don't seem to have a wrench on the dinghy. And hopefully I can get this tightened down and get this handle to hold. Some 4mm screws that hold the arm on that are coming back out. See if I can fix that. So I've Loctited those two screws and tightened them down. That takes a lot of the wiggle out, although it could be a bit tighter. And hopefully now that'll hold together. Oop, that looks like that's coming loose somehow. Yeah, I'll tighten that up some more from the other side. So I found a small bolt that I think I can wiggle through here. And then we'll be able to fasten it, and that will actually add an extra fastener that's all the way through. I may have to take off the fuel linkage, unfortunately. I got the handle where it's now sturdy and bolted in place. And I've got the mount where it will slide and move as it's supposed to, and it was locked up. I had another pin through here, and that got lost. It was left to cross the Gulf with it. Now I don't have it, so apparently it fell off crossing the Gulf.
Alright, here we are, trying very carefully. Oh, okay.
Too much damage.
This is the fun of adding a motor. All right, good deal. How's it feel? Yeah. Not much of a camera, man. I can't see the screen, so.
It goes in the power side.
Yeah, is that what it is?
Yeah.
I think I got you. Alright, good deal.
There's that.
Alright, you stay there. I'm going to hand you fuel, alright?
Okay.
There he goes. Try not to hit the big pylon. And here it comes in for the last trip.